Looking for the best gas range? Here's our top 8 picks to consider in 2019. Hi, this is John with Designer Appliances, New Jersey and New York's premier interactive appliance showroom. A visit to our store is well worth your time, where you can experience firsthand the latest in home appliances and save money with our exclusive offerings. When it comes to ranges, gas has been a popular choice for our customers for many years. Home chefs love them because cooking with an open flame allows for greater flexibility, accuracy, and experience compared to other options. You can tilt the pan, collect juices in a corner, baste your food, and still enjoy high heat thanks to the flame. Gas in the oven cavity also gives you more accurate temperatures as well as lower energy costs, since it heats up and cools down faster than an electric oven. However, gas ranges do require a gas line to operate, whereas electric or induction ranges simply need a wall outlet. Even if you have a gas line available, or plan to have one installed, finding the right one that fits your needs and lifestyle can be a daunting task, which is why we've sifted through thousands of miles to choose these top 8 ranges that rise above the rest when it comes to value, features, and quality. So let's get started. For a great entry-level gas range, we recommend the Samsung NX58H5600SS. Samsung has established itself as a name to beat in the appliance space. This affordable gas range features convection cooking in the oven, removable griddle compatibility, and 5 gas burners that even include an oval burner for oversized pots and pans. Overall, this is a top quality range at a price point that won't break the bank, which is why it earns a spot at the top of our list. Looking for an upgrade compared to the previous model? Try the Samsung NX58H9500WS. Samsung occupies both the first and second slots on our list, and for good reason. This Samsung slide-in range represents a higher price point, but comes with even more luxury features. The large oven viewing window not only looks great, but also allows you to check on your food without opening the door. Its guiding light touchscreen controls give you the unique functionality you'd expect from Samsung. And with Wi-Fi connectivity, a 5.8 cubic foot oven capacity, and a flexible cooktop with an oval burner for large pots and pans, you'll have everything you need for a great cooking experience for years to come. Have the budget for a mid-range option? Consider stepping up to the GE Profile PGS930S ELSS. The GE Profile series represents quality, and this slide-in front control gas range has plenty of quality to go around. It includes a cooktop with dual-purpose center burner that allows you to use either the circular burner for tasks like steaming veggies or cooking with circular pots, or the oval-shaped configuration for tasks that require more space like sandwiches or pancakes. The 18,000 BTU Powerboil burner is great for getting that intense heat that's perfect for fast boiling and searing, and the range's connectivity means that you can receive notifications about preheat, completed cooking tasks, and more directly to your smartphone or digital home assistant. This range even features automatic syncing through GE's Chef Connect program, and the oven boasts true European convection thanks to a third heating element and fan combination system. Another great quality option you can consider is the Bosch HGI8054UC. We love Bosch for their long-standing reputation of quality design and reliability. This model is no exception, featuring 5 steel burners making a breeze to clean. Each burner has a top output of 18,000 BTUs, making preparing a large meal fast and easy. You'll get great bonus features like a warming drawer, pizza setting, convection capability, and even self-clean function. This is a reliable and stylish choice for your kitchen. For the passionate cook looking for versatility, consider the Cafe CGS750P2MS1. The Cafe series represents high-end luxury, and this 30-inch sliding gas range has luxury to spare. The beautiful stainless steel finish is just the beginning. You'll also find 6 burners, including a tri-ring fast boil burner with a maximum output of 21,000 BTUs, great if you're always boiling water or frequently cook meals that need high heat. Under the hood, you'll get faster preheating times that let you get cooking faster than the previous models we mentioned. You'll also love the modern backlit touch display, as well as the double oven design for cooking multiple dishes at individual temperatures. You'll also love the Wi-Fi compatibility that lets you use your smart device to control your range from anywhere. For a truly commercial-grade experience with high-end stylings, we can't recommend this Cafe model enough. Our next top pick raises the bar when it comes to high-end luxury, the Wolf GR304. Willing to pay a premium for a high-end cooking experience and the looks to go with it? Then the Wolf GR304 might be the right choice for you, with its signature red knobs and sports car-like sleekness. This model's burners are capable of heat output ranging from 300 BTUs up to 20,000 BTUs, giving you maximum cooking versatility for simmering sauces or searing steaks. The sealed black porcelain-coated burners make cleanup quick and easy. Dual convection allows you to easily control heat and airflow in the oven, while a built-in temperature probe lets you leave nothing to chance. An automatic flame reignition improves temperature control and peace of mind. Overall, this is a stunningly designed range and is a statement piece for your kitchen that also helps increase the resale value of your home. If you're truly passionate about cooking, consider the Bluestar RNB366V2NG. You may not have heard of Bluestar before today, but they create some extremely dependable, high-end appliances. This model speaks to that reputation, featuring 6 open burners that give you precise, even heat directly to your pan surface. These open burners are definitely harder to clean than closed burners, but it offers the flexibility of easily removing grates for integrated wok cooking. So if you want to impress your friends with unique wok recipes, Bluestar is the only range in this lineup that will get you there. Continuous grates makes moving pots and pans easy across the surface, while the signature black knobs guarantee no one will mistake this for a standard, run-of-the-mill kitchen range. Pair that with a reliable oven with convection capability and a stylish slide-in design, it will make you and your kitchen look like $1,000,000. And finally, for a sleek, pro-style range, consider the Thermador PGS930S. Rounding out our list is this high-end Thermador range, featuring a luxurious, light-polished stainless steel finish and contemporary design. You'll get Thermador's signature star burners, which allow you industry-leading heat distribution thanks to the 50 flame ports on each burner compared to 28 flame ports on a standard burner. This gets you 2 extreme cooking temperatures, extra low simmer at 100 degrees and extra power at 22,000 BTUs. Plus, it's all housed in a quick clean base designed for easy surface cleaning, so you can stop worrying about scrubbing cracks and crevices and get back to cooking great food. We hope this video has given you a great starting point when it comes to selecting the best range for your home. For more information, a visit to one of our stores is well worth your time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel where we provide helpful tips and advice that will make you an educated appliance shopper.